Welcome back to our videos of the month with All American Refinishing. In this video, I would like to introduce a new service that we've been promoting for a little bit, but now it's up and running and we are actually servicing the Tristate area, as they say, and it's called Perma. As Perma is a new product and a new service that what we'll do is we trial a particular surface with a cement-like substance. Basically what that does is it seals everything. For these showers that people are constantly having problems with leaks, this is your solution. Unlike refinishing where we sprayed the process, this particular process is trial with again a cement-like material that will seal everything in the bathroom. It will eliminate the leaks that you have in between the tiles and the shower floors, permanent. It will also prevent you from mildew, stains and what have you. It's almost permanent. Unlike these liners that people are putting in their bathrooms that after a while they get discolored or they separate between the walls and the shower floors, this will never happen. It will again eliminate the leaks from second floors homes to the first floor. It will eliminate the leaks on the floors so that you don't have to worry about damaging areas outside of that bathroom. It comes in a wide range of colors, and we can make almost any design. Check out some of the pictures of before and after and you can see what I'm talking about. And the cost is still going to be a lot cheaper than replacing and ripping everything else, along with all those problems that people have when it comes to that. This process has already been done for many years. It's very popular out west in the Midwest and California area. The Bellagio has used this, the Pentagon has used this, Walt Disney has used this, and now we are introducing the product and the service in the Florida region. We look forward to helping you out with this. Give us a thumbs up if you like this video. If you subscribe to our channel and we can educate you a little bit more on the process. And again, thank you for looking into this new Perma that we highly are excited about and looking forward to assisting you in not only the Perma service, but also the reglazing as well. Give us a call at 954-527-2725 and look us up on the web, allamericanrefinishing.net. Thank you.